Hi everyone, thanks for checking in. I want to share about 4 different tips that are really easy to fit in your routine. And I do these every week, a couple times a week. And I think it's an area that we forget about. And I think that the back of our hands and our legs are something that we don't focus on, and I think it's really important and it's really easy to do. So what I want to show you is this really nice product that my business partner Suzanne bought me. I don't have anything like it, so I'm going to continue to use this. So when I get in the shower and I've already cleansed my body, I just put a little in my hand and squirt it, and I work it between my hands, and I massage my thighs and my legs and my arms. And what this has in it is a really nice amount of AHA, alpha hydroxy acid, and it has silica. And the exfoliant benefits of that product are so great. It doesn't dissolve quickly, so I can work with it when I face my body away from the shower head. And I work it and I work it. I create circulation in the arms and the legs. I really work my thighs. And what I feel like it's doing is it's helping with cellulite, creating that circulation, which is something that I think is very important, getting that blood flow going. And then I feel like the exfoliation benefits of this product are just amazing because it doesn't dissolve right as the water hits it. Actually, I have to work to get it off. It really keeps its its form, or the formula really just works nicely on the body. I use a lot of scrubs, and I gotta say, I think I'm totally in love with this one. I'm gonna say that Suzanne got this at Target. They're doing the Sephora stores, and so I'm gonna link that in this tutorial. So a really good exfoliation for the arms and legs, back of the hands. Okay, we forget those are really important areas to exfoliate, and we just don't want to focus on our face because our neck, the back of our hands, and our body show age, and we need to remove and create changes in those areas. Hi, Ruby. Hey, my little Havanese is coming over to visit. Oh, she's just getting a little drink of water. Anyways, let me move forward. LUMIFY. I know you all know about LUMIFY, but this is a life changer. I use LUMIFY, and I also use the LUMIFY to brighten the whites of my eyes, and I use Systane for moisture. I just find that my eyes just dry out. It could be from using so much, being on the computer so much, and just conducting business, emails, everything that goes along with business in a day. And it could just be that I'm almost 60. Who knows? But I am going to stick with LUMIFY. Just a drop or two a day helps really keep the whites of my eyes nice. Oh, Systane. I'm doing the Systane drops for moisture. I don't know if a lot of you suffer from that issue. I hear it a lot from my clients, is our eyes just really, they really dry out, maybe after menopause. I think it really has something to do with it. Okay, so that's a little tip. Okay, so this is a really fun one. You all know, a lot of you know that when I'm back here in Nashville, we're working, my husband and I are working on a farmhouse, and it was dilapidated. It was built in 1835. So when I'm here, we stay here for 6 weeks, and then we go back to California for 6 weeks. So I have to have all of the devices, home devices, here, so I can continue treatment. This is one of my favorite little little steamers. I call it the little steamer that could. It never lets me down, and I think it's just a really, really great tool to have at home. What I like about it is I can use it 3-4 times a week. It doesn't take long. I like throwing on a mask. I like here's my ideas. Put on a mask, hydrating mask. Some mornings when I think I need more exfoliation, I'll put on a glycolic cream or serum. That steamer really gets that activity of the glycolic down into those layers of skin and creates activity, and glycolic creates hydration and exfoliation. So glycolic, we've got a lot of glycolics on our site because we've got glycolic that is for sensitive skin. We've got glycolic for my type of skin, which is very resilient, and it's clinical strength. You're going to feel the activity of it. You're especially going to feel the activity of it when you steam it. And that's similar to what we would do at the clinic, only it's a more intense treatment at Jolie Skin Clinic. But you can create very similar results at home. So I love this little steamer that could. Another tip with it is, let me show you this is a really nice one here. This is the glycolic, and that's called Fruit Cocktail. It's really a great glycolic. And then this is a nice one also, just a lactic acid. Everybody loves lactic acid. If you're an esthetician, there, I'm getting a little better at this. Lactic acid is amazing because it's an acid that is extracted from milk, and its purpose is to hydrate the skin. It creates a lot of moisture in the skin, but another great benefit of lactic acid is it brightens. So you're going to get a brightening tone to your skin. It helps with pigmentation, but pigmentation and hydration. Those two products, any glycolic AHA, if you've got it at the right pH balance, and a really great lactic, is just got to be in your arsenal of anti-aging skincare products, ingredients. And ours we spare no expense to make sure that they're at the right pH, so they're creating a change in the skin. Okay, let's see. This next tip has been so helpful to me. When we're in California, my skin gets really dried out, and I wear a lot of sandals because our summers are so long. But I just have super, super dry skin, and I get pedicures every couple of months, and I get the gel on my toenails, and so that always looks really, really pretty with my sandals. But I get this really dry skin on my heels, and the sides of the ball of the feet. So I found this really, really neat paddle. I got this at Sally's, I think. Yeah. And what I find is if I leave this in the shower, and once my feet start to soften, the skin starts to soften, I can gently, very gently, just kind of glide that across my heel and the sides of my feet, and I get a great exfoliation, and my heels look so nice. I just love the way they look. This has been a really major problem for me because my heels have always cracked, and it looks unsightly and it doesn't look pretty. This has made such a difference in my life. But I'll share something back to how clumsy I am. I grabbed this the very first time I bought it, and I just went to town, and I put a lot of pressure on it. I'm pretty strong. I'm actually like a farm girl. I'm tough, and I used all my strength, and I tore off all my skin, and I had to start this healing process around the sides of my heel and the sides of my feet, they were just raw. They were even bleeding. So one of my lessons is to slow down, not be so fast at everything I do. And what I know now is just a really, really gentle motion on the feet. And they keep my feet really, really pretty. And with my gel polish, they always look presentable, and that's what I want. I don't have time to always be at we don't do nails at our day spa, so I don't have time to always be at the what do you call it, the pedicure studio. So anyways, that keeps my skin nice. Okay, one last tip I have to share with you is I know a lot of you know about the Eucerin. I've tried every formula, and I love the original healing lotion. And one of the reasons I love it is the Ceramides. I find that if I get out of the shower and I apply the lactic acid to my legs and my arms, or I decide I want to go a little more aggressive, and I'll apply the fruit cocktail, the glycolic, to treat my hyperpigmentation, to brighten my arms and my legs and the back of my hands, to fight the fine lines. I'll put one of those on. Sometimes I'll put both. But anyways, I will lather this on my body. I don't think there's a better formula on the market for really hydrating the skin. And when we talk about anti-aging, I know you've heard this, but ceramides are very, very important, because we lose that we lose our moisture, that transepidermal water loss. So we have to hydrate, really hydrate, and that ceramide really locks in that moisture. So those are my tips and tricks, really practical things to do at home. And I really appreciate you watching. If you liked this video, will you like it and then subscribe, hit the bell, and I think you get notices for whenever I upload a new video. I'll continue to bring my 21 years of skincare remedies and tips and tricks and formulations and active ingredients, and Suzanne's as well, because that's what we're all about, is skincare at Joli Visage Skincare. I thank you for watching, and I hope you have a really great day. I'm going into the farmhouse, and I'm going to do myself a little bit of work on the staircase with some eye goggles and a face mask, because I'm pretty sure there's lead in that paint. So anyways, I've got my work shirt on, and I appreciate you watching, and have a great day. Bye.